The new Audi A3 4th generation is much sportier, much progressive than the car before. For example, the new single frame is much wider, lowered more to the ground, as well combined with this nice honeycomb grille design already available in the entry level, combined with this nice sculpture air intakes, and for sure also this nice modern headlight design. The next highlight is the nice new body side, especially with this negative section which tucks in and has a really nice play with this kind of light sources, especially with the quattro theme on both axes, combined with this nice body to have a really extreme sculptural design of the side view. The next highlight is especially the new greenhouse. It's much lower, and what is also totally new is this new triangular shape of the seat post. It's much more lean forward, located more on the rear axis, and gives really a nice sporty feeling. The windscreen is much flatter and the spoiler is a bit bigger to give a really compact but wide impression of the rear as well. The new rear light of the Audi A3 also has a really nice design, especially with the interior of the line, because the vertical oriented lights speak a really good interaction, good synergy with the shot line of the trunk. And the night design looks like illuminated. The new Audi interior design is as sporty as the exterior. For example, what you already noticed here are this really immersive cockpit with these air vents combined with the cluster. The next one is the virtual cockpit combined with the HMI display. It's more like a new digital stage for us. As well, this kind of nice profile which also combines the whole setup of the interior complete together in one row and also speaks a really nice horizontal layout. The same design concept from the dashboard we also transferred onto the center console. Black areas already showing the interface relevant interaction components combined with this really nice profile of the application area.